Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is a high-converting Shopify product page. A high-converting Shopify product page focuses on clarity, trust, and ease of purchase. Start with a simple product title that says exactly what the product is. Avoid fancy words and make it easy for customers to understand right away. Write a short description that focuses on benefits instead of just listing features. Explain what problem the product solves and why it is useful. Use short sentences and break up the text so it is easy to scan. Use high-quality images from different angles and add lifestyle photos that show the product in use. If possible, include a short video to help customers imagine owning it. Show the price clearly. If you offer a discount, display the original price next to the sale price so people see the savings. Add reviews and testimonials. Shoppers trust other buyers more than the seller. If you are new, use early customer feedback or influencer testimonials. Place trust badges near the Add to Cart button, such as Secure Checkout or Money Back Guarantee. Make the Add to Cart button large, visible, and easy to click, with clear text like Add to Cart or Buy Now. Give details about shipping and returns so customers know what to expect. Keep it simple and honest. Finally, make sure the page works well on mobile. Buttons should be easy to tap, images should load fast, and the text should be readable without zooming. When you combine these elements, clear title, benefit-driven description, strong visuals, reviews, trust signals, and a smooth mobile experience, you create a Shopify product page that turns visitors into buyers.